Hi, fifth graders. We are going to review division with two-digit divisors today with word problems. I have a word problem already set up for you. It says, Miss Adams wrote a 36-page story. She buys a package of paper with 500 sheets and prints as many copies of the story as she can. The question is, how many copies can she print? So knowing that this problem is asking me to make equal groups of 36 in 500, I'm going to take my total, 500, and divide that total by 36. I can start by rounding 36 to 40, and then also understanding that instead of using 500, I'm going to break that number down and just use 50 in my dividend. So I can make one group of 40 in 50. Therefore, I'm pretty sure that I can make only one group of 36 in 50 as well. So I multiply 1 times 36 equals 36. Subtract, and I end up with 14. 14 is my current remainder, but since we have this extra 0 out here, I know I'm not done, so I'm going to bring down that 0 and make my remainder 140. Now my problem becomes how many groups of 36 can I make in 140? For that, I'm going to round again my 36 to 40, and I know that if I multiply 40 by 3, I get 120, which is somewhere close to that 140. So I'm going to multiply, or I'm going to put my 3 above my last 0, multiply 3 by 36, and I end up with 108. I subtract, I end up with 32. That seems like a really high number for a remainder, but I know that it works because it is under 36. So in effect, what we have found is that by dividing 500 by 36, we have found that she can print 13 copies of her story with 32 pages left over.